Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add and insert a footnote in Google Docs. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, this type of interface will be displayed on your screen. Here, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen and a menu will open up. Inside this menu, click on the Footnote feature and it will be created automatically. You can also create it by using the Ctrl+Alt+F shortcut for it. Once it is created, you can start typing in the preferred text. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.